Great morning, my students. I want to welcome you all to this online teaching and learning series. Geography is our subject, and today's topic is keeping weather records and instruments. In our previous lesson, we discussed what's the meaning of weather and climate, the element of weather and what climate. But today, we are going to discuss on keeping weather records and instrument which we use to measure all the elements of weather and climate. Here are your specific behavior, that is behavioral objectives, that at the end of this lesson, you students should be able to explain the measurement of rainfall. So, you say, what is rainfall? We now say that rainfall is a water that is drawn from the atmosphere down to the surface as a result of evaporation. So now, the instrument that is used in measuring this rainfall is rain gauge. Rain gauge consists of a metal funnel that leads to a glass of bottle. So if you see rain gauge, it's always a metal funnel on it, and a glass of bottle is down, then the funnel will be on top of the gauge. Now, we have so many ways in which we can calculate the function, or we can calculate which is that instrument of rainfall, and we say that instrument is rain gauge. So there are 6 formula or 6 procedure which we can use in calculating the rainfall. So the number one is that mean month rainfall is equals to add total rainfall from the monthly all over numbers of days in the month. Then annual rainfall, you add the total rainfall which is from December to what? From January to December. You add all of them together. Then the other formula is the annual range of rainfall, which is equals to month with the highest rainfall minus month with the lowest rainfall. The means of annual rainfall, the total rainfall from January to December, divide by the 12th month. Then formula number 5 is highest rainfall, which is month with the highest rainfall. Then formula number 6 is lowest rainfall, which is month with lowest rainfall. Here are your example of calculation. If you look at the chart, you will see that the number 1 is the month with the lowest rainfall. Number 2 is the month with the highest rainfall. Number 3 is annual rainfall. Number 4 is the annual range of rainfall. Number 5 is means of annual rain using the table below. So let's now start our calculation by using the table below. You see January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December at the column of months. The rainfall in January we have 10, February 80, March 20, April 18, May 5, June 15, July 45, August 40, September 90, October 20, November 50, and December 40. Now, what is the solution? The number 1 question says that the month with the lowest rainfall. The month with the lowest rainfall here is the month of May, which is 5. So therefore the answer is 5 centimeter. Then the month with the highest rainfall is September, which is what? 90 centimeter. Then the annual rainfall is total of the month, which is the total number where rainfall in January, February, March till December. So in January we have 10, February we have 80, so you plus all of them together and it will give you 468 centimeter. Then the annual rainfall, the annual range of rainfall is highest rainfall in the month minus the lowest rainfall in the month of the year. And the highest rainfall is September, then the lowest rainfall is May. Therefore, you now calculate it by using 90 minus 5, which will give you what? 85 centimeter as the answer. Then the last one, which is means of rainfall, which is the total rainfall for the 12th month. The total rainfall for the 12th month is what? 468. You now divide it by the numbers of months, which is 12. So once you divide it, it will give you 39 as the answer. So that is all, and that is how the instrument or that is used in measuring rainfall functions. So these are all the instruments that is used in measuring rainfall, which is what? Rain gauge. So mind you, remember that the number one instrument that we use in measuring rainfall is rain gauge. And I hope you have understood how we do the calculation, and when next you come in class, we are going to continue from where we stop. Stay safe and God bless you.